The construction industry is ever evolving, with an estimated 4% growth projections from 2021 to 2031. The market size of construction ERP software was valued at USD 13 billion in 2023 and is expected to reach USD 28 billion by the end of 2030, with a CAGR of 14%. More specifically, construction ERP software is designed to meet the specific needs of construction companies, enabling the effective management of contractors, subcontractors, materials, plant and costs across multiple projects and sites. Construction apps offer project management, budgeting, scheduling, safety compliance, material tracking, and collaboration tools for tracking progress, managing resources, and ensuring effective communication. Construction ERP software integrates essential components into a single system to streamline your business operations, and a system with advanced features helps your construction business grow efficiently. Data is a key asset for identifying improvement opportunities in project activities, budget control, and subcontracting. It provides visibility for timely decision-making. Tendering and BOQ management streamlines bid processes and ensures accurate project cost estimation for construction businesses. Project budgeting in construction ERP enables precise cost estimation, tracking, and real-time budget control throughout the project lifecycle. Material take is the required amount and description of materials for an activity. It simplifies managing the on-site material purchase list. Tracks and controls materials, ensuring optimal stock levels and reducing project delays. A subcontractor teams up with the main contractor to supply, install, or execute tasks, ensuring every project piece fits seamlessly. Procurement management in ERP for construction streamlines purchasing, supplier coordination, and inventory control. Creating a construction app requires careful planning and combining different features and technologies. If you want to own your own ERP software for construction business, then you are at the right place. The team of Brew Labs is here to help you. We are offering you a comprehensive tech suite, which includes admin panel, customer app, vendor panel. With over 5,000 plus satisfied clients worldwide, we're experts in software and app development. Click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have.